The Kennedy family has announced funeral arrangements for Robert F. Kennedy's granddaughter, Saoirse Kennedy Hill. Now, People confirms the funeral will take place on Monday at Our Lady of Victory Church in Centerville, which is less than 5 miles away from the Kennedys' Massachusetts compound, where Saoirse died Thursday of a suspected overdose.
According to the Boston Globe, a family spokesperson revealed that the family will host a private burial service following the funeral. Our Lady of Victory Church became a Kennedy family staple after they stopped regularly attending former President John F. Kennedy's favorite house of worship, St. Francis Xavier Church. That's according to South Coast Today.
The Kennedys confirmed the tragic news of Saoirse's death in a statement to People on Thursday, just hours after paramedics rushed to their Hyannisport property. Now, that statement read, "Our hearts are shattered by the loss of our beloved Saoirse. Her life was filled with hope, promise, and love. She cared deeply about friends and family, especially her mother Courtney, her father Paul, her stepmother Stephanie, and her grandmother Ethel." Now, the statement continued, "She lit up our lives with her love, her peals of laughter, and her generous spirit. She was passionately moved by the causes of human rights and women's empowerment and found great joy in volunteer work, working alongside indigenous communities to build schools in Mexico. We will love her and miss her forever."
On Friday, police confirmed they responded to the scene in Hyannisport at about 3 p.m. The Cape and Islands District Attorney's Office did not specify the nature of the police call in their statement on Friday, but they did say Saoirse was found unresponsive at the scene and pronounced dead at a local hospital.
In the statement, they added the autopsy report revealed no trauma consistent with life-saving measures and that the cause and manner of death are pending the toxicology report. Now, according to the DA's office, both local and state police are currently investigating. Saoirse Kennedy Hill was 22 years old.